Get ready to discover the magnificent Palace of Parliament in Bucharest. We'll cover everything from its location and how to reach it to visiting tips, opening hours, ticket prices, rules for visitors, and delve into its rich history along with some intriguing architectural facts and controversial aspects. This iconic structure not only symbolizes Romanian history but also stands as a testament to the extravagance of the Ceausescu regime. Join us as we dive in and unravel the secrets of the spectacular palace. You can find the Bucharest Palace of Parliament right in the heart of Romania's vibrant capital city, Bucharest. Nestled in the historic district of Cotroceni, it's a true masterpiece that dominates the cityscape. It's south of Izvor Park, west of the end of Unirii Boulevard. It's situated on a 120-hectare complex and boasts an impressive 1,100 rooms. If you're in the city center, you can enjoy a pleasant walk to the palace. It should take you about 20 minutes to walk there from the Old Town. Alternatively, public transport is readily available with buses and metro stations nearby. Buses 136 and 385 will take you straight to the Parliament Square. The Izvor metro station is the closest, about 700 meters away. Taxis are also a convenient option. To visit the Palace of Parliament, you can book a guided tour through the official website. Tours are available in English and they are subject to availability. Due to security reasons, you cannot visit the palace independently. Just have in mind some things. You will enter from the west side where the entrance for the Senate of Romania is. Access is permitted only with a valid national identity card, ID card, or passport. There is an airport-like security scan upon entering. When making a booking, the visitors are asked to be present 15 minutes before the tour starts at the information desk. Otherwise, the reservation will be automatically canceled. Due to security reasons, there is no storage space or wardrobe available. The Bucharest Palace of Parliament is generally open to visitors from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. However, it's always a good idea to check their official website or give them a call to confirm the opening hours, just to be on the safe side. The main tour usually lasts about an hour, but the slots for the English tour could be time-specific. Ticket prices vary, but for adults, it's typically around €8 or €10 if you also visit the basement, with discounts available for children, students, and seniors. Keep in mind that there might be additional fees if you want to explore specific sections or take a guided tour. When visiting the Palace of Parliament, there are strict rules to follow. As we already mentioned, you must have a valid national identity card, ID card, or passport for access. The maximum number of people per group for the standard tour is 35. Wheelchair access is available by prior arrangement. Items such as banners, placards, flags, or any similar items are not permitted. Constructed in 1984 under Nicolae Ceausescu's rule, this colossal Palace of Parliament is the world's heaviest building, spanning over 1 million square feet. Impeccable craftsmanship is evident in awe-inspiring chandeliers and historic corridors. Today, it houses Romania's parliament and key offices, featuring 3,000 rooms adorned with high-quality materials like marble and gold leaf, covering 330,000 square meters. As the world's largest civilian building with an administrative function, it weighs a staggering 4,098,500,000 kilos and is gradually sinking. Built on the raised sites of 4 neighborhoods, including hospitals and churches, Ceausescu's vision was to consolidate all state bodies. The palace was designed not only for functionality but also as a safe haven capable of withstanding seismic and nuclear threats. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content. The next video will offer you more info. Check it out.